Today's announcements are sponsored by First Federal Bank. Bank with the people you know and trust.
Good morning, Bryan Middle High School. Today is Thursday, April 12th.
Mr. Odell's career readiness class will be collecting donations through AA on Friday, so keep the donations rolling. Right now, he will eat a jalapeno, but if we raise $250, he'll eat a Hungarian pepper or a serrano, which are twice as hot as a jalapeno. Once we get to 500, he will eat a habanero. How much will it cost to eat a Carolina Reaper or ghost chili? How about you ask him to find out? Thanks again for all those who have donated to the cause.
The spring musical, How to Succeed in Business Without Really Trying, debuts tomorrow night at 7:30. There will also be a Saturday night performance at the same time and one on Sunday at 2:30. It all takes place at the Arts and Ed building.
Student and senior tickets are $8 and adult tickets are $10. Purple and gold cards will be honored. Tickets are available for sale in the high school office from 7 to 3:30 p.m. or online at bhstheater.tix.com. Questions, see or email Mr. Lutho. Have a great week, Bryan City Schools.